My name is Thorsten Lutz from WEICON Middle East. Thank you to give us the opportunity to introduce WEICON here at the ASB, at the Adhesives, Bonding and Sealant exhibition. WEICON, we are a German-based company and since 2005 here in Dubai, UAE, representing and marketing the WEICON product for the complete region, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Kuwait, Bahrain, for example. In the WEICON range, you will find a range for products for repair and maintenance, different sprays for cleaning and degreasing, for example, for lubrication, a spray like zinc spray for galvanizing companies. You will find the equivalent to WD-40. Besides the technical sprays, we have a range of epoxies. Epoxies for coating of pumps. Different colors, ceramic coating, a green coating, what is even sprayable. Further in the WEICON range, we have also this kind of repair sticks. This works also underwater. 2-compound epoxies, you can see in the sticks, 2-compound, you just cut it by hand, mix it, and it will work. Also in the WEICON range, we have a range of elastic adhesives, silicon-based and MS polymer-based. With this sample, you can see what kind of different products you can bond to each other, whether it is a different kind of plastic with stones or a copper to stone. Ceramics, metal to metal is possible for this kind of application. Over here you can also find a lot of further sprays, whether it is a chain and loop spray, for example, or this equivalent to WEICON W44T, all-purpose lubricant. Also in the WEICON range you can find a lot of other adhesives, one component, anaerobic adhesives, thread locker, pipe sealings. For electrician, a special varnish that they can see that the threads are not break over. A range of instant adhesives, they called it super glue. For wood maker we have a high glossy MS polymer, what is for wood application. Beside our chemical range, we have also stripping tools for cable strippers. Maybe you can come over. This is our range of different cable strippers for a lot of different cables. And very new, we just introduced the WEICON Green line. Stripping tools made on 97% of recyclable plastics. And here I just would like to demonstrate you the function of one of our tools. It's called the stripping tool number 5. Here is a cable to just bring it inside, cut it, and without any damage it is cut. Here even is a side cutter. This is one of our tools, even for bigger cable. When you have a cable where you would like to cut the outer insulation, there is a cable knife. You just put it here upstairs. There is a flexible knife inside to bring it here inside, fix it, make 2 turns, bring it to side, and it is cut it. Thank you for your attention.